Hi, welcome to valuationpodcast.com, a podcast and video series about all things related to business and valuation. My name is Melissa Gragg, and I provide online valuation services for mediation and litigation based in St. Louis, Missouri. Today, we're actually going to discuss a buyer's perspective and risk factors in business valuations with Danto. He has over 30 years of experience with startup companies, entrepreneurial companies, as well as expertise in the acquisition, valuation, and divestiture of business interests. He has served as a representative for a multitude of engagements. He has experience working with lenders, private equity groups, and individual purchasers or buyers. And he served on a variety of boards, including the alumni board of the Graduate School of Business at Rice University. He is also a full-time professor at Rice University, and he's a member of the NACVA, which I am also a member of. So welcome, Al.
This is off of Pepperdine. Pepperdine has kind of the respected, they do an annual report. I'm more than happy if someone wants to reach out to us and we can send a copy of this, but it kind of shows the averages in small business, by size, by earnings. Very small businesses, sometimes they talk SDE, which is seller's discretionary earnings, all of the income that's available to the seller, and they're valued off of that. And as you go up, so as we go up, we see an increase kind of in these average multiples, right? But again, these are averages. And one of the biggest things that I see is we're average. Homes that are average, but a business is not, just an average. There's differences. I've got a couple slides that'll show this as an example. So, show this picture. Where would you think that this is? I mean, Melissa, where would you think that this is? Somewhere.
It was probably Missouri a couple of weeks ago.
Missouri, Minnesota, Michigan, right?
Right.
And I could probably show a new slide.
Right.
If we go to the next slide, this was actually Dallas, Texas. It was 15 degrees, 6 inches of snow. I think they probably broke that record a couple of weeks ago. It's 10 degrees here in Houston, which is crazy where I'm at. But but the average temperature in Dallas for that day is basically 60 degrees. So if you just showed up in Dallas and you said, hey, I'm going to show up for the average day, golf shirt, shorts, right? So average is really, to me, and this may be more, this real world, in business valuation, there's just, all it is a center point, right? a middle ground.
Yeah. And I think that's where everybody starts to say, well, isn't everything like 3 to 5 times EBITDA? Like, isn't every average fall around there? And it's like, well, every business in the world would sell for that. You really have to look at the individual deal, not even the individual company, but the individual deal to understand the value.